You did the right thing. You spoke up at work. Maybe you reported harassment, called out discrimination, or flagged illegal activity. But instead of being protected, you get punished, fired, demoted, ignored. Sound familiar? This might be employer retaliation, and it's against the law. Retaliation happens when your employer punishes you for exercising your legal rights at work. It's not always obvious. It doesn't have to be a dramatic firing the next day. It could be more subtle. Let's go over a couple of examples of what retaliation at work might realistically look like. Let's say, for example, you report sexual harassment to Human Resources. Maybe a manager made an inappropriate comment. A week later, you're suddenly written up for performance issues that no one ever mentioned before. Or worse, you're demoted or let go entirely. That could be retaliation. Or imagine you report racial discrimination. Maybe a coworker used a slur, or your manager consistently overlooked you for promotions. After filing a complaint, you're given impossible deadlines, moved to a less desirable shift, or excluded from meetings. That could be retaliation too. Or if you're a federal employee or contractor and you blow the whistle on fraud or safety violations, your agency or federal contractor employer should not punish you. But maybe they do. Maybe you're passed over for a promotion, transferred suddenly, or terminated altogether. That could be a violation of federal whistleblower protection laws. Now, here's the good news. Retaliation is illegal in both the private and public sectors. For private employees, federal laws like Title VII, the Civil Rights Act, Americans with Disabilities Act, the Age Discrimination and Employment Act, all include anti-retaliation provisions. If you complain about workplace discrimination, harassment, or unsafe working conditions, these laws protect you. For public employees or contractors, especially federal workers, you're protected under the Whistleblower Protection Act and other statutes. That includes employees who report waste, fraud, abuse of authority, or violations of law. In short, you have the right to speak up and your employer cannot legally punish you for it. So what should you do if you think you're being retaliated against? Document everything. Keep a detailed record of what you reported, when you reported it, and any changes and how you were treated afterwards, like demotions, write-ups, or exclusions from meetings. Save emails, performance reviews, and written communications. This can help show a timeline and a pattern of retaliatory behavior. Report your concerns internally if possible. Raise your concerns to Human Resources or a formal grievance process so that there's a record. And finally, be sure to contact an employment attorney. The sooner you get legal advice, the better your chances of protecting your rights and holding your employer accountable. If you've been demoted, fired, or treated differently after standing up for your rights, don't stay silent. Retaliation cases can be complex, and you don't have to figure it out on your own. At the Spiegel Law Firm, we help employees understand their rights and fight back when those rights are violated. If you think you've been retaliated against work, visit spiegellaw.com to book a consultation. You stood up, and that's what's right. Now let us stand up with you.